We're here at a library Jubilee, Soiree in the Stacks, at the Woodrow Wilson Library. We have a silent auction, and most of these are in-kind donations from generous business members, people on the Friends group, and businesses within the Fairfax community. There's over 50 items up for bid, as well as we're going to have 3 live auction items. 100% of the funds go to enhance the library and the services offered by the library, including the support for early literacy outreach, changing lives through literature, scholarships, programs and presentations, and books and materials to include ebooks. So one of our large issues always is funding. For the fiscal year of 2016, our budget has been reduced from last year. The Fairfax Library Foundation really helps supplement what our public tax dollars can't completely support each library. So we're there to help out, make sure each branch is operating to its fullest extent and really able to do what it needs to do. So to support the Fairfax Library Foundation, you could visit our website at fairfaxlibraryfoundation.org. It'll let you know about our different programs and outreach services and different ways to help the organization.